Good morning, traders. We got about 7 minutes till the market opens on up this morning. What am I looking at? Well, you guys know on Mondays we let the dust settle. We figure out the sentiment for the market, the sentiment for the penny stock, land, figure out what's going on here this morning with volume. Volume this morning has been shifting from here to there. 7:30, a little chat room pump on INT. That one started fading on back down. PRPO came out with a reverse split with news, which is very traditional, what these companies do. They'll do a 1 for 15 reverse split and then come out with breaking news. So we see all this news. They signed their first major international service contract. They saw significant first-year revenues based on historic volumes. A lot of good news coming out on PRPO after the reverse split, because a reverse stock split will decrease the share count by 15 times, essentially making it a very low flow stock, and chat rooms love these low flow stocks. So when they come out with news, it can get a nice little pump on it. I'm not going to be trading PRPO, but will watch it for certain. MOBL, this is what I'm looking at. Again, a little overextended from 575 up to 655 right now. Pulling up the 3-year chart is coming up right up to daily resistance. So we're seeing overextension. It's over an 80 on the RSI, and we're seeing it come up to daily resistance. I like these high probability setups. Problem is, this is about 100 million in float stock, so probably not going to go anywhere very quickly. I would like to see a little pop out of the gates to that 678 and then take a short there, risking right off of that. You guys know I like to risk very close to my predefined risk area, and this one should open up to provide a little bit of opportunity on it despite it being a high float. Next, I'm going to be looking at AXTI. This one over the last week has provided some good opportunities. On Thursday and Friday it had morning spikes, both of those days. Last Tuesday it had a morning spike as well as grinding up on Wednesday. So we've seen morning spikes nearly every day over the last week on AXTI. Going to be watching that again here today on AXTI. See if we get that morning spike we can go into, because on Mondays when stuff starts fading on off, so INT faded on off, PRPO is starting to sell on off, SSR is turned on that, by the way. Where are traders going to go? A lot of times on Mondays they'll go to what has worked. I'm not guaranteeing I'm taking a trade today or taking a trade off my watch list. It may come on the scanners. The scanners provide great opportunities. That's where I find these stocks every single day as well. Link in the description if you guys are interested in using these scanners. MOBL, this one just dropped down to 617. It's really irritating, guys. That's really irritating. This is the one I really actually wanted. QHC, I do like this one. It's coming right up to that 50-day moving average. There's going to be resistance there. It's also had 5 green days in a row. We'll see if that one can break the 50-day. I do like the risk area here, though. Pretty much risking off of $2. Would like to see this one a little bit higher. Okay, I just got filled some QHC at 184. Looking to build a position into this. QHC doesn't look like it's going to be breaking that 50-day after all. We're going to keep our eyes on it. I want to add to this position. Should have added a little bit higher than I did. It's always my problem. I don't add when I'm supposed to. I want this one to bleed, though. I want it to bleed. Get down to like 160 today. PRPO, that's a classic move there, traders. Back down to 480, which is where it opened after the reverse split. Now it's at 471. So just be aware that these companies like to do that. After they come out with a reverse split, come out with some great PRs that I guess weren't so great, huh? This is good now because I'm going to risk off of the high day, which is pretty much 190. If we can get a little pop on it, I will add my full position here. This is most likely going to have its first red day today, so any pop I do want to add into here. This one I honestly did want higher because I want a bigger position on it. I don't know if it's going to give it to me, though. I'm not really happy with this trade, though. I wanted 600 shares. I was trying to go half position size at 184 and then add to it when it came up here. This is my problem every single day. My emotions start getting to me, and I'm like, well, this is consolidating. Do I really want to add to this and then be caught up in it near $2? I was really thinking here, let's get it a little higher, back up to $2, risk off of that, and then get the drop fade on off, and I have like a 190 average on it. Okay, traders, it's 10:30. I'm probably going to be sitting here a little while. If QHC gets a little pop on it, I will add to it. I didn't get my full position. Wanted to at least double or triple my share size here, so not too happy about that. We'll put an order out here at 167, traders. See if I get taken out here on QHC. Okay, I have 100 shares left. 200 got filled. I got a partial on that. So let's get the other 100 filled right there, and that'll be my trade on QHC. Really didn't get the size I wanted on it, but that's okay. I'll let it bleed out for a little while, so I'm happy there. Let me know how you guys did in the comments section below. A little bit quiet today. PRPO had most of the attention in pre-market. Shorts took that over. Did you guys have shorts of that? Did you kill that? Let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and we will see you all tomorrow.